Xiaomi 4DRC V30 Mini Drone 8K HD camera, 5-sided obstacle avoidance, optical flow, foldable FPV quadcopter. The Xiaomi 4DRC V30 Mini Drone redefines what a compact, foldable drone can do. Designed for both beginners and experienced flyers, the V30 is loaded with premium features like dual cameras, 8K HD resolution, 5-sided obstacle avoidance, and optical flow positioning, all packed into a miniature, pocket-friendly body. Whether you're looking to capture stunning aerial footage, enjoy immersive FPV flights, or simply explore the skies, the 4DRC V30 is a feature-rich and fun quadcopter that won't disappoint. With a foldable arm design and a weight-light structure, this drone is perfect for travel, outdoor adventures, and indoor flying. Don't be fooled by its size. The V30 is a powerhouse of performance, offering 15 to 18 minutes of flight time, real-time image transmission, intelligent flight modes, and one key return to home, making it one of the best drones in its category for casual users and drone hobbyists alike. 8K Dual HD camera, switch perspectives in real time. Capture breathtaking aerial photos and crystal-clear video with the front-facing 8K HD camera, and switch to the bottom optical flow lens for more dynamic shots. The dual camera system allows you to toggle perspectives right from your controller or smartphone via the mobile app, giving you more creative flexibility and framing control. Front camera, 8K Ultra HD resolution, also available in 1080p depending on configuration. Bottom camera, optical flow positioning for enhanced stability. Live switching, seamlessly toggle between front and bottom cameras in real time. 5-sided obstacle avoidance, intelligent safety. Worried about crashes or flying indoors? The V30 features 5-direction obstacle avoidance sensors that detect obstacles from multiple angles. This intelligent system helps prevent collisions, especially when flying in tight spaces or around people, making it an ideal drone for beginners and kids. Compass GPS-free flight with smart stability. Even without GPS, the V30 uses optical flow positioning and altitude hold to maintain a stable hover and smooth flight. Features like headless mode, one-key takeoff, landing, and custom route planning make the V30 extremely user-friendly and easy to control, even if it's your first drone. Key technical specifications. Model Xiaomi 4D V30 Mini Drone. Camera options 8K HD, 1080p HD, no camera. Battery 3.7 volts 1800 mAh LiPo. Flight time approximately 15 to 18 minutes. Charging time around 70 minutes, via USB, remote control distance 100 to 150 meters. Transmission 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi FPV, app-controlled, obstacle avoidance 5-sided laser sensors. Camera switching dual camera system, front plus bottom, control modes remote controller plus smartphone app. Flight features one-key return, headless mode, 360 degrees flip. Flight speed 3 speed levels, slow, medium, fast, drone material high-strength engineering plastic. Intelligent flight modes and features. Green circle 5-way obstacle avoidance. Antenna bars real-time 5G Wi-Fi transmission. Round pushpin 1-key takeoff and return. Camera gesture photo, video capture. World map trajectory flight, custom route drawing in app. Anti-clockwise arrows 360 degrees rolls and flips for fun aerial tricks. Brain altitude hold for easy hovering. Compass headless mode for easy orientation. Anti-interference 2.4 GHz technology. What's in the box? 1x 4DRC V30RC drone. 1x remote controller. 1x 3.7 volts 1800 mAh drone battery. 4x spare propellers. 1x USB charging cable. 1x screwdriver. 1x user manual. Note: camera version depends on your order selection. No camera, 1080p, 8K. Who is it for? Whether you're buying a gift for a child, practicing drone flying indoors, or looking for a budget-friendly FPV experience, the Xiaomi 4DRC V30 Mini Drone delivers real value in a portable package. It's fun, beginner-friendly, and packed with features typically found in larger, more expensive drones.